Hello, my name is Cody Guerin, and I am the Service Director here at Acura Peabody.
I'd like to take a moment today to explain your vehicle's service journey when you visit our convenience store location and how we make your visit as enjoyable and convenient as possible. We offer multiple options for scheduling an appointment. You can easily make an appointment online, over the phone, or in person with one of our friendly Acura Service representatives. If you are in need of routine maintenance, please utilize our accelerated service lane. No appointment is necessary. When you arrive at our facility, you'll be greeted by our welcoming team of Acura valets and service advisors. Our service advisors will document your vehicle's maintenance needs and any other concerns you may be having. We offer courtesy loaner vehicles and a local shuttle service to help minimize any inconvenience to you during your visit with us. If you choose to wait here at Acura Peabody, please enjoy our guest lounge or utilize one of our private guest offices to work while you wait. We are equipped with high-speed Wi-Fi so that you can stay connected while we take care of your vehicle. Enjoy a cup of coffee, tea, water, or your favorite snack while you wait. Your vehicle will be inspected and evaluated by our factory-trained certified Acura technicians. Once the inspection is complete, you will receive a full report from our technicians outlining the condition of your vehicle and any recommended repairs. When your vehicle's service is complete, we will provide you with a complimentary car wash and vacuum. At Acura Peabody, we understand that every new Acura innovation comes with new service information. This means our service technicians are always prepared with the latest bulletins, information, tools, and training. We use only Acura genuine parts which deliver the performance, reliability, and safety that you would expect. Acura Peabody cares about you and your Acura, so give us a call today or schedule your appointment online.
We look forward to servicing your vehicle and providing you with exceptional Acura service.